I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit to...
Hey guys, welcome to another one of my videos where I basically show you what you can get for £12 in Lviv. Now don't get me wrong, this is probably not a good way to spend £12. But let me just show you. This is the entrance. Just come through the entrance and we're immediately greeted with the kitchen. It's a little bit flash, isn't it? Look at this amazing stove. I'm not sure you're going to be cooking amazing meals on that. But come through here and the temperature does start to warm up because I'll be honest, in there it's freezing.
It's frickin' freezing in here, Mr. Bigglesworth.
We have a classy bathroom. A little bit makeshift. I am here for one night. I'm literally here for one night. And I can assure you can get much better places in Lviv than this place. This is atrocious. But let's go through, because it's, you know, what's interesting about this place? The old sort of Soviet feel to it. I feel like someone created a house in a corridor, and I think my neighbours are just are possibly the owners. I'm not sure. But then we enter this big Soviet room. You can imagine like an interior designer would have a field day with this place, but at the moment it's atrocious. Although the most interesting feature is this. This is an old furnace. It used to keep the place warm. Sadly, it's not warm, and sadly the only heater I have in the entire place when the temperature outside is about 0 degrees.
The Iceman cometh.
Is a tiny little heater down here. So I think I'm going to be cold tonight. I do have a view of, well, it's kind of the centre, pretty much the centre. I'm literally around the corner from the Opera House. But I booked this place on the train thinking it will do for one night. It's all right. You know what? I will survive a night, but it's not great. The bed is huge though. I don't know what that's like to sleep on. What a fantastic night I'm going to have here. Anyway, so this is what you can get for £12 in Lviv. My advice, spend a couple of pounds more and you'll have something very nice. Or spend a couple of pounds less and you can stay in a really nice hostel. This is just silly. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this, click the like button. If you didn't like it, click the dislike button. If you want to leave a comment, let me know you were here. And I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Thanks very much. Cheers.